आपको इम्यूनिटी बढ़ानी है इस कोरोना से लड़ने के लिए, तो ये गो कोरोना गो हर्बल टी आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं। इसको पीजिए और बचिए कोरोना से 100% गारंटी।
क्या आप बनाना चाहते हैं एक तंदुरुस्त बॉडी? तो ले आइए बंधु च्यवनप्राश। इससे ना ही सिर्फ आपकी बॉडी बनेगी, इससे आपका इम्यूनिटी भी बढ़ जाएगा। गो कोरोना गो। क्या आप नहीं पहनना चाहते हैं मास्क?
क्या आप नहीं पहनना चाहते हैं ग्लव?
तो आज ही ले आए गोला बाबा की ये गोली।
ये गोली सिर्फ ना ही आपकी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाएगी, बट कोई कोरोना आपको छू नहीं सकता है।
अरे भाई नहीं बढ़ानी है ऐसे इम्यूनिटी। Hey guys, welcome to Ritika and Vishnu. Hope you guys are doing great. We understand that with this corona and everything, many companies are claiming that they'll will boost your immunity by such products, right? Having a green tea or having some golies and all would surely not help you with that. There are a few tips which will actually help you to boost your immunity and will keep you healthy. So stay tuned.
So guys, first is start eating home cooked meals. See, this is very important to stay safe and healthy. It will also help you in the long run, because many a times we get this excuse that you don't know cooking, right? So invest this time to learn cooking, so that after like when the things will get normal and you start going to your offices, at least you'll have that basic knowledge of cooking, and so that you can carry your dabbas to office and you don't have to rely on those canteen food, or you have to order it from outside. So eat healthy home cooked meals, avoid junk and deep fried stuff. This will not only save your money but also will help you to stay fit.
So guys, point number 2 is exercise daily. Pick and choose any time of the day, work out for 30 to 45 minutes. Because see, these days we have a very sedentary lifestyle, right? We either sit in front of our laptops or in front of TVs, and it's very much important to create that activity to stay fit and stay healthy. The only way to improve your immunity is that you stay fit and stay strong. So daily workout is a must.
So guys, the third point is to drink enough water. See, it's very important to keep yourself hydrated throughout the day. You must have heard about a lot of drinks and juices to improve your quality of skin and hair and to detox. But trust me, nothing better than plain simple water. So make sure that you drink at least 4 to 5 liters of water daily. So the fourth point is try getting good 7-8 hours of sleep. See, with all the work and the stress levels going up, it's very important that you get good 7-8 hours of sound sleep, because with the diet and workout on spot, still if you don't get your proper sleep, you'll feel lazy and weak throughout the day. So make sure that you get 7-8 hours of good sleep.
And guys, if you want to know more about a healthy sleep regime and you want to know why sleep is much important, do check out our video. We have made a detailed video on sleep, why it's important and how to fix if you are suffering from a sleeping disorder. The link is in the description box. And point number 5 is, guys, reduce your stress levels. Stress is one of the most but dangerous problems in the general population these days, right? With the increasing workload and day-to-day pressure, people are feeling more and more stressed. So a few ways to reduce your stress is either meditate in the morning, follow a workout regime in the morning or any time of the day, or spend some good time with your family, spouse or friends, so that you reduce your stress and stay a healthy life and lead a healthy lifestyle. So guys, it's very much important to stay stress free to lead a healthy and fit lifestyle. So guys, by now you might have understood that it's high time that we stop looking for some magic pills and drinks to boost our immunities, right? It's high time that we build such habits which we can follow on a day-to-day basis, and it will lead to a healthy and fit lifestyle.
So guys, hopefully आपको हमारा आज का कंटेंट पसंद आया होगा. So don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on that bell icon so that whenever we upload a video, you get a notification. So stay safe, stay healthy and stay indoors. Bye bye.